Hello everyone, want to learn Excel automation? Let's start with your first VB message box. So first of all, go to developer, then Visual Basic, or just press Alt F11 to open the VB editor. So go to insert, then module, then here type sub, say hello, enter. Message box, hello, comma, welcome to VBA, comma, VBA information, comma, VBA greeting. Okay, that's all. So to execute this code, just press F5 or just click on this button. Okay. Here is our message. Or just click create a button here. Okay. Create a button. Then link it with the macro. Okay, when the button clicked, the same. Hello, welcome to VBA. Thanks for watching. See you next time.